Good evening and welcome to the news. First, let us take a look at the headlines. State BJP hails the completion of 100th episode of Prime Minister's Mann Ki Baat program on All India Radio. "31 CHCs to be upgraded into referral centres in Meghalaya soon." BJP National President JP Nadda releases BJP Party Manifesto in Bengaluru. And Shillong Airport gains momentum with more flights scheduled for the upcoming months. The news in detail. The state BJP has hailed the completion of 100th episode of Prime Minister's Mann Ki Baat program on All India Radio. Addressing a press conference here in Shillong today, BJP State President Ernest Mauri said that the Prime Minister in his monthly program has touched on several issues of North-East and besides highlighting the hidden beauty and tradition of the people living in the region. The Prime Minister in his Mann Ki Baat program often talked about different development schemes and also highlights innovative practice and ideas of the people. BJP spokesperson H.M. Shangpliang said Prime Minister Modi in his program had also highlighted about women making baskets and handicraft items out of bamboo and cane in Sintain village in Meghalaya.
Speech of the Honorable Prime Minister, he talked about the development, different scheme, and he has focused more to the poor people.
We have in our state, in the village called Sintain, where women folk, they make baskets, they make handicrafts out of bamboo and cane. This was not known to the world. The Honorable Prime Minister in his 99th episode had a very serious interaction with the people of Sintain village.
As many as 31 community health centres, CHCs in the state will be converted into first referral units to tackle emergency surgeries and other health concerns. A total of 10 CHCs would be identified in the first phase. Disclosing this information, Secretary of Health Ram Kumar S. said 30 doctors are currently in Chennai attending a 6-month training in specific areas like ultrasonography, life-saving skills, emergency observatory care, caesarean delivery, C-section, etc. Once these doctors return to the state in June, they will be deployed in the selected CHCs, Ram Kumar said. In addition, the Health Department also wants to convert 14410 COVID helpline number into a full-fledged helpline for any kind of health issues, Ram Kumar said.
Because this is the first time it's happening like this, where 6 months back, our government of the then Health Minister, we had gone to Chennai, we had signed an MOU with Tamil Nadu government to train our doctors in 3 major topics: ultrasonography, life-saving anesthetic skills, LSAS, and CMO, Comprehensive Emergency Obstetric Care. And the 14410 helpline, that has been made into a much larger helpline now. So as you know, we have started the medical corporation, so the medical drugs and surgicals and equipment. We have started a corporation which is looking into professionally into supply of these drugs and diagnostics completely online. We are just about to go online. We have had a lot of training and it's going on. By within a week, tenders will be fully online.
The BJP manifesto released by Party National President JP Nadda in Bengaluru today ahead of the Karnataka polls promises free half-litre Nandini milk every day, 5 kgs of millets every month and annually 3 free cylinders to BPL families. It also promises 10 lakh rupees worth health insurance to the poor. The promises are characterized into Anna, Akshara, Arogya, Abhivruddhi, Adaya and Abhaya. Once defunct Shillong Airport is now gradually gaining momentum with more flights scheduled for the upcoming months, making it a busier airport, while more parking bays for the airport are on cards. As per the summer schedule, which is already enforced, movement of around 300 flights will take place from the airport every month. Airport Authority of India Shillong in a tweet said that 2 more parking bays are expected to be made operational in 2 months following this upgrade. The airport will be available to accommodate 4 flights at a time, which will eventually lead to an increase in the movement of flights. Amidst jubilant mood in the village of Kongthong in East Khas Hills, a voice was heard calling out to one and all to gather around for the Shat Puja, which is the annual Thanksgiving dance of the Rait Kongthong. The Sardar of Rait Kongthong, Tebor Linra, along the elders of the village, sat in front of the altar, and in front of him was a basket and some plants. Paying obeisance to the Maker, he sought blessings for a bountiful harvest and protection throughout the year. Young and old sat on the ground to witness the Thanksgiving prayer. As soon as the prayers were over, little children rushed to take part in the dance. Shat Puja is a dance where the people of the village, which has over 130 households, take part, and this is a way of expressing gratitude to the Maker and to seek the Almighty's blessings.
Yang kita pediang mafi play, semua play ngon pediang mafi play nanti mengenai semua kon.
Nadu handai sai nadu ba laseng hia ka long sino long thau ni da kita ki saukur ki jongi ki badai ka pondong kalendra bajau bat kongsit di hadin bangi ju pelong ya kangu kedem sistem sistem ya kan ni kalian nem le rukom rengkat kasat kemen uju khot le ka kasat puja hi balai ka ni khot le ka kasat puja kalong ba hagan ni kalian nem le rukom ko jungi hagan ni kangu blai ka dem blai ka jungi nim sem la ya pan ya ka dau nim sem ya kli ya ka dau ndai habangi pendep ya kan nem ko rukom usoda rengkat ki matabol bat ki rotemen ki rosan jongkarai.
The music video I Can Fly of Guwahati-based singer Aisha Das was released by noted city singer Gracel Ropme in Shillong on Saturday. The music video was shot in Meghalaya and it has been composed, written and sung by the singer herself. This music video also is a testament to the singer's love for the beauty of Meghalaya and the entire northeast region of India. Aisha is a high school student from South Point School in Guwahati. She began composing and singing at the age of 9 and has since then dedicated herself to her craft. As a proud native of northeast India, she is committed to promoting northeast tourism, which includes Meghalaya, and showcasing the rich socio-cultural heritage of the region by her music video.
Is released. And this song is about overcoming your obstacles, not caring about what other people say about what you do, and being focused on your life no matter what, and achieving your goals no matter what other people say or any obstacle which is there to stop you or do anything. You need to overcome them and achieve your goals.
The weather report. The maximum temperature was 22.3 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 14 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 57%, while in the evening was 70%. 0.1 millimeters of rainfall was recorded. Forecast: light to moderate rain is very likely to occur at few places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. And before we wind up, here are the headlines once again. State BJP hails the completion of 100th episode of Prime Minister's Mann Ki Baat program on All India Radio. 31 CHCs to be upgraded into referral centers in Meghalaya soon. BJP National President JP Nadda releases BJP Party Manifesto in Bengaluru. And Shillong Airport gains momentum with more flights scheduled for the upcoming months. That's all we have in the news for today. Do join us again tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Thank you for watching and have a good night.